folks, you get a bonus today. We were given some of these humongous, this is not a zucchini, this is an English cucumber. And Chris and I were given, we were just so blessed with a bunch of these. Our cucumbers seem to be flowering, but there are no cucumbers on them. So anyhow, what I'm going to show you how to do today is what is called refrigerator pickles or microwave pickles. We have been doing this for years, and here is what your pickles are going to look like. And you're going to do these in the microwave. I am actually getting ready to can a batch of these, but you do not have to can if you're just doing a single batch. Now, let me show you the recipe. You can pause if you need to. But I am doing a triple batch right now so they can go into jars. So I have cut up 3 gigantic, humongous cucumbers, 3 onions. I'm going to add to that the last of the garlic that we have. Hashtag go to the store tomorrow. I like garlic pickles. That step is optional. Then you are going to add, got so much stuff here, 2 teaspoons of salt. Now, this batch is triple, so I will be adding a lot more. But the original one calls for 2 teaspoons of salt. And it calls for a teaspoon of mustard seed. You know that if you have faith of a grain of mustard seed, you can say to a mountain, move. That's just always been amazing to me. Because obviously, this is a mustard seed. So I don't have very much faith. Okay, then you need a ½ teaspoon of ground turmeric. This really does add a bunch of flavor. Highly recommend. Don't leave the turmeric out. Ugh. What happens when your turmeric gets clogged? Huh? Turmeric. There we go. Turmeric. And a pinch to go an inch. It's just not. There we go. Turmeric. Also good for you. Good for what ails you. Alright. A ½ teaspoon of celery seed. A little onion go on me. I like celery seed too. Woo! Because I got sloppy. Now, for the big part, you are going to add, still with me, you're going to add 2 cups of sugar. So for this monstrosity, I'm going to need 6 cups of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got a lot of sugar. Sometimes that's just the way things happen. You can use stevia, I guess. And you're going to add a cup of vinegar. my son tripling, the recipe. Now, this fun part, you're going to stir this all up as best you can. There you go. Get all that sugar to dissolve, all the turmeric dispersed. And you are going to pop this in the microwave for 10 minutes. I stir every 4 minutes. So, anyhow, stir it every 4 minutes. When it hits that 10-minute mark, you're simply going to load it into jars, put the lids on, and if you will put them in the refrigerator for about 3 days, if you're just storing them in the refrigerator. If you're going to water bath can them, then don't forget to debubble. And where's my debubble? Don't forget to debubble. And process. I have some quarts and some pints. If you're only doing a pint, you can water bath them for 10 minutes. The water bathing, make sure that the tops are covered. If you're doing quarts, which I'm doing, and pints, you go with the quart time, which is 20 minutes. And then they're good for like ever. And this is what they come out like. And trust me, these are so good. So easy. You don't need these honking English cucumbers. You can just use 2 large sliced cucumbers. I don't recommend peeling them because they get really mushy. And if you don't like the onion in them, you can omit the onion. But anyhow, this is just a quick, easy way to use some of those cucumbers to get pickles in no time. Use your microwave. And as a lot of my friends say, do the best you can with what you got where you are. Hope this helps. Bye.